Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check and understand Snap score. So for this you will have to open the Snapchat account on this iOS device. So from here you will have to go on the top left corner of avatar, your profile icon. So from here you will see below the username, here is the score. You will see the ghost icon. You will just click to this ghost icon. So your snap score is 7440. So this is your understand score. You're all over on Snapchat. So from here you will just check the history of score of the all time. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.